I just turned 24, quit my job, and bought 2 classic Jaguars. Let's talk about that.
This time around, man, I'm doing it for me. This time around, we coming for everything. I just do me. I just do me.
Before we get into how exactly I plan on doing this, I'm going to save some time and rewind the clock. What is the Coach Collection? Why am I unemployed, and why are there 2 low-mile Jaguars behind me? Well, 1 low-mile Jaguar and a Porsche, but we'll get back to that later. It all started with a group of 5 friends.
No, I've looked at him. Jeff, in 2010 you looked at him. In 2010. There you go, Jerry. Yeah. Yes.
An empty bank account, and a long list of financial decisions my advisors would find questionable at best. When I was 16, I purchased my first car. What followed was insanity. Just a little bit of sharing that insanity with you. Opening my very own shop at 18 with some of my best friends. Starting a career with an amazing business that we grew together to become one of the largest sellers on bringatrailer.com. So, with all of that in the past, having no salaried income and bills just like anybody else, what exactly is the goal here? Well, my goal is to create a hub for enthusiasts like me. Just like Coach-built cars are fine-tuned and ready to go, that's like everything we do here. With a spread of content from making my own parts, custom built just for you, and interviewing emerging YouTube stars, Lamborghini mechanics, and even people who have managed to build their own Ferraris in their garage, let's hop in the Jag, head over to the office, and see what we've got going on over there. Here we are in the new showroom. As you can see, there's lots of boxes behind me. And that's because nothing is built out yet. We're gonna have to do it all from scratch. This is something I'm quite used to though, because I did it just a few years ago with my shop. We're gonna take this and turn it into something great. Let me give you guys a quick tour. So coming in the front door, we have our office area. All of this stuff will eventually be moved and cleared out. We'll have some desks, chairs, maybe some display pieces in here. Super excited about that. Lots of room to work with. For now, let's hop back in the Jag and go build some headlights, because I know that's what a lot of you guys are here for. That's the first custom part we're building. So let's go check it out. We are here at the shop, so let's get our stuff out of the trunk and go inside, and I'll show you what we're working on. I did have to change into some shop clothes because we are getting a little bit dirty today. But if you did skip to this part of the video from the beginning, thank you for joining me anyway. Right now I'm going to be going over how my prototypes work, what exactly they do, how they were built, and that final kit that you've got in your hand, how we're going to be installing that into the car. I'll save you guys the hours of cutting, drilling, gluing, etc. to make these work. But essentially, these are the rough outlines of the buckets that we'll be using. Essentially, what we're going to be doing is taking these 4, which are our prototypes, and making 3D printer replicas of these buckets. Now, there's one more piece to this as well. This little guy may be small, but he runs the entire show. Now, what do I mean by that? This is the actual ball socket that holds these mounts to the factory backing where the original headlights sit. So replicating this and being able to include it as part of these housings is going to be absolutely instrumental to making sure that these actually fit and are a direct bolt up. So here it is out of the printer. You can see there's a lot of supports in there we have to take off. But we're gonna take a headlight out and see how it fits in there. So I've taken out the light so that you can see the bucket a little bit better. You can see that bucket is sitting flush in there. That is perfect. Just like that. And after you have the harness all plugged in, all you'll have to do, slide the light in. And it's a friction fit housing. So once it's in, it's in. Show you the alignment is damn near perfect. Here they are, both mounted in the vehicle. It looks absolutely insane. Obviously, we still have these chrome rings that get mounted around them, and those just slip over, but this is it, the final product. Thank you guys for tuning in. We're at 600 subs right now. It would mean the world to me if you click that subscribe button. I'm gonna be making a lot more products, building a lot more cars, and showing you exactly how that all happens. Hopefully you guys wanna join me for that journey. Click below. I'll see you in the next one.